friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Dmart Premia Haldi Powder. So guys, what I have with me is a Dmart Premia Haldi Powder. This is a 100-gram pack. So this is a basic haldi powder which is available at Dmart, which I purchased from there. And today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the packaging, guys. This is a basic haldi powder from Dmart. It comes packaged in a very simple plastic pouch right here, with a Dmart branding right here, Dmart Premia written right here. And then the name of the product is Haldi Powder, and the net weight of this is 100 grams. There is a pure vegetarian symbol shown here. Moving on to the back of the pack, guys. On the back of the pack, again, we have Dmart Premia branding on both the sides. You can see here. Then the pure vegetarian symbol here. Packaging date is mentioned. MRP of the product is rupees 40. So the MRP of this Haldi Powder is rupees 40. Shelf life of this is 6 months. Net quantity is 100 grams, like I mentioned. Store it in a cool and dry place. The FSAI license numbers are mentioned behind. Ingredients: this is definitely only haldi powder. Buyback price of empty dry pack is rupees 15 per kg. So they buy back also this plastic pouches if you have to ever give it back at rupees 15 per kg of this pouch. So that is what is mentioned on the pack, guys. Looking at now, let's look at the color of this haldi. It's very bright yellow, nice yellow color, turmeric right here that you get in this. Now let's talk about the uses of haldi. So guys, haldi is basically used in our day-to-day cooking, like it's used as a spice in cooking. It is also used, many people like having haldi doodh when you add turmeric to the milk. It's also used in a lot of smoothies and detox drinks because it adds a nutritional boost to the milk or the drink that you want to have for your detox. And it is also used in like many essential Indian cuisines, like in rice and curries, to give it the color and flavor as well. Now let's talk about the health and wellness uses of haldi. Why is haldi so beneficial for us? Number one, it boosts our immunity, helps our body fight infections. Right, it boosts our immunity. It is anti-inflammatory. Like the curcumin in turmeric reduces inflammation and joint pain in the body, and it also has antioxidant properties. It protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also supports digestion. Haldi is very good for digestion, reduces bloating, and it is also known to have heart health, good for heart health as well. It helps regulate your cholesterol and your blood pressure levels. So those are like the health benefits of haldi, guys. Apart from the health benefits, it also is known to be a very good product for your skin, and is also used in a lot of beauty products. Like you can make homemade face masks using this turmeric, honey and yogurt. For like, it will give you a glowing skin. You can use it, also known to be used for acne treatment, because it helps in reducing pimples and scars on the face and on your skin. Haldi is really good for anti-aging. It is known for its anti-aging properties because it slows down wrinkles and fine lines because of its antioxidant properties. It is also known to give your skin a natural glow, so it is also good for skin brightening, guys. Now, what are the home remedies haldi is used for? Like in Ayurveda and for other home remedies, haldi is known to be best for cold and cough relief. Like people from olden days have been having haldi doodh to cure like your sore throat and cough. If you have sore throat or cough, or any little one in your house has sore throat or cough, you'll see most of the time the elders in the house would prefer to give them haldi doodh for curing their sore throat and cough. It is also good for weight management and like for wound healing, I would say. It acts as a natural antiseptic. Like you all might have seen, like whenever you get a cut or something, if you apply turmeric on it, the wound heals very fast. Turmeric water or tea also works as an antioxidant, so it's a very good antioxidant as well. Having turmeric mixed with milk also helps with joint pain in elders, so generally elders choose to have haldi doodh, which also helps with joint pain, guys. Now, medicinal uses. If I talk about the medicinal uses of haldi, it has a lot of medicinal uses. Like it is good for your liver. It helps detoxify your liver. In cases of weight management, improves metabolism and fat burning properties of haldi helps in like reduce weight. It also helps to control your blood sugar by managing, which helps in managing your diabetes naturally. So this amazing haldi or turmeric has so many benefits, guys, and this one I bought from Dmart, like I told you all. So if you all are looking to buy haldi, you can buy this Dmart Premia Haldi from Dmart stores as well, and now Dmart is also available online, so you can purchase it from there as well. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.